Winter quarter's upon us. So we start on Monday, and I'm putting out this video to welcome you and to hopefully maybe put your mind at ease. I know when I was in school, I'd always wonder in the start of the quarter, how's the teacher going to be? How's the workload going to be? Is a teacher nice or is a teacher kind of a jerk? I've had those before. So, is the teacher easy or is the teacher hard? Is the teacher reasonable or unreasonable? Is the teacher rigid or not rigid? All those types of things you want to know. I can't tell you how I am. That's something you will have to judge because everybody will make that judgment differently. I try to be reasonable though. That's the main thing. So, we've got the whole quarter ahead of us. We'll have 11 weeks, and we will work together, and we will produce our objectives for the end of the class. Now, one of the things you probably want to know too is what do I expect? So I post the assignments, and I expect you to read the instructions and read them carefully, and then follow the instructions, and then go ahead and produce your work. Um, and I am kind of a stickler, I guess I would say that, on following the instructions. So everything's there for you, and I put it in multiple places. So go ahead and read over the instructions, that type of thing. Follow them. I try to explain everything to you in other videos and in writing on what to do and how to do it and all those things. So I try to lay it out for you. The main idea is I want you to learn the skill, and I want you to be prepared to take the next level class if you decide to go to the next level. So, so I try to give you all the tools. I'm here to help you succeed. I want you all to get 4.0s if you want a 4.0. If you want a 3.0, I'm here to help you get that. If you want a 2.0, I understand, and I want to help you get that. So whatever you decide, it's your choice, and I'll help you get whatever you want. Um, so I'm starting in my 23rd year of teaching right now. So, and I started at Highline, and well, actually, I should say I started at Eastern Washington University back in 1998, and then I moved to Highline in 1999, and then to Green River College in 2000. Now I'm mostly at Green River, and I moonlight at Highline, but I've been in the communication field the whole time. One of the things I always thought was important is communication, no matter what you do. It's actually the essence of everything we do. And I remember when I was working in the business world, well, I've been in business, nonprofit, and government. So when I've been in those organizational worlds, that I got a real, the thing that motivated me the most was helping other people become successful. And once I figured that out, my whole life changed. So I decided to become a corporate trainer, and I went to school, graduate school, to be a corporate trainer, but I ended up being a teacher, which is the same thing, which works out well. Is my goal is to help people succeed. So every quarter, I get 75 to 125 students, and my goal is to help everyone succeed. So that's my overall goal here. All right, so I'm not going to make this too long, so you don't have to listen to long videos. In fact, you'll see most of the videos I have instructional. I keep them right around 6 minutes or less. There are a couple in the there. I think I have one in 11 minutes long, and one might be 15 minutes long, but all the other ones are shorter. So I want you to watch them, okay? Because they'll help out and they'll give you information. So welcome to the course. Um, I'm trying to get you to get the best grade you want. All the instructions are there. All you have to do is follow instructions. And feel free to email me if the instructions aren't clear. I can't possibly write clear instructions for everybody. The instructions work for some, but other people with different ways of thinking, different background, different thought process, it could be confusing, and I understand that. So get a hold of me and let me know. Send me an email, and if you want to, I can set up a Zoom conference with any one of you at any time that you want. So let me know that if you want to get on a Zoom. I'll send you an invitation and we'll talk. All right. So good luck to all of you, and we'll see you on Monday and throughout the next 11 weeks. Good luck to you.